In this video, I'll show you how to add a meta description to your WordPress website. So all you need to do is head over to the admin page of your WordPress dashboard, and from the left-hand side, come over to plugins. Click on Add New Plugin right at the top here, and then you need to search for a plugin called Yoast SEO and hit Enter. From here, click on Install Now, and then finally, you'll need to activate the plugin. Once you've installed and activated Yoast, you can head over to either your posts or pages, depending on where you want to add the meta description, and then you just need to click on Edit to the page that you want to add this meta description to. If you now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, you'll see here we have this Yoast SEO section, and this is where we can add both our meta title and meta description. So for the meta description, you can just type it in this box here. Now make sure you keep the description within the recommended character limit. You can see if I go over the limit, this bar here will turn orange. So ideally, you want this bar to be green like so for the best SEO practices. And then once you've entered your description, you can just click on Save. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you add a meta description to your WordPress website. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.